will solve more SQL problems from Hackerrank itself. If you have doubts about any topic, then you can watch our SQL concepts video. After watching those videos, all your doubts, they will be cleared. So let us start. And let us see the first problem of this video. So the problem is, query the list of city names from station that do not start with vowels and do not end with vowels. Your result cannot contain duplicates. If you remember, in the first video of the series, we solved this type of question. If you guys remember that problem and you understood that problem very well, then it is not going to be difficult. You will also solve this problem easily. You guys can take a pause, just pause this video and try this problem. I know you will be able to solve it yourself. If you still have any doubts, then all your doubts will be cleared now. Let us see what the query of this problem will be, and then you can cross-check with your answers. We want to extract city names from the station table that neither begin with a vowel nor end with a vowel. And we have to extract only unique city names, not duplicates. So for unique city names, we will write distinct city with select statement from station table and then condition inside the where clause. Here condition is that city names should not have first and last character as vowel. We will use the left function for the first character and right function for the last character and separate both conditions with the AND operator so that both the conditions are satisfied. Cool, our query is ready. Now it has to be seen whether this query is correct or not. So to find that out, let us submit our query. And yes, our query is absolutely correct. Great. Similarly, we will solve more problems. So go ahead and solve the next problem. So our problem statement is, query the total population of all cities in the city where the district is California. We gave a description of the city table. There are 5 columns in this table: ID, name, country code, district, and population. The data type of each column is also given. We want to find the total population of each city in the District of California. If you want, read the question again and watch a little carefully and then try to solve it. You can pause the video and try solving the problem. So I hope that you have solved this problem. If you still have any doubt, then that doubt will be cleared now. Let us see what the query of this problem will be, and then you can match it with your answer. To find the total population, we use the sum function that will return the sum of population from the city table, and after that we specify the condition. The condition is that the district should be California, so we will give this condition with the where clause. Great, the query is all ready. Now let us check whether our SQL query is correct or not. So let us submit this. And yes, our query is absolutely correct. Great, now let us go ahead and solve the next problem. So our problem statement is, query the average population of all cities in city where the district is California. The previous problem and this problem are the same. In the previous problem, we had to find the total population, and in this problem, we have to find the average population. So I hope you all can solve the problem very easily. This problem is not at all difficult. So solve this problem immediately by pausing the video. So I hope you guys have solved this problem. If you still have any doubt, that doubt will be cleared now. Let us see what the query of this problem will be, and then you can cross-check with your answer. To get the average population, we will use the average function from the city table, and after that, we will specify the condition. The condition is that the district should be California, so we will give this condition with the where clause. Great, the query is all ready. Let us submit this now. And yes, our query is absolutely right. Now let us go ahead and solve the next problem. So our problem statement is, we define an employee's total earnings to be their monthly salary into the number of months worked, and the maximum total earnings to be the maximum total earnings for any employee in the employee table. Write a query to find the maximum total earnings for all employees as well as the total number of employees who have maximum total earnings. Print these values as two space-separated integers. We are given the details of the employee table. This table has 4 columns: employee ID, name, month, salary, and also the data type of each column is given to us. Try to solve this problem. We have also given a sample example. You can also refer to it if you want. Think carefully about what the correct query could be. I know this problem is a bit difficult, but just try solving it. And I hope that you have solved this problem. Let us see what the query of this problem will be, and then you can match it with your answers. The query for this problem would be something like this. In this, we can see that we have first found the total earnings of each employee by multiplying the salary and months column, and then also selected its count and then group by 1. Group by 1 means to group by the first column inside the select statement and then sort the total earnings by the descending order. With this, we will get the maximum total earnings, and at the same time, how many students with maximum total earnings will also be known. Limit 1 means that we just have to extract the first row, that will obviously be the highest earnings. To solve this query, you will have to pay a little attention. This is not too difficult. I hope you have understood this. Then let us submit it and see if this query is correct or not. And yes, our query is absolutely correct. I hope you are now comfortable asking these type of questions. And as I have said before, keep practicing. This will make your concepts even stronger. Stay safe and keep learning. Bye.